How to fly a drone. You will need a drone and a remote control. Step 1. Turn on the drone. Step 2. Turn on the remote control. If required, sync the remote control to the drone. Press the takeoff button. Scoop up the drone. Place the drone into a frying pan over medium heat. Melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter in the frying pan. Add 1 large chopped onion, 2 diced garlic cloves, 3 diced celery stalks, 3 diced carrots, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour. Cook, stirring constantly for 2 minutes. Add 2½ cups of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cracked black pepper. Stir. Add ½ cup of heavy cream, 4 cups of shredded cooked chicken, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh thyme. Stir until thoroughly combined together. Remove from heat. Transfer the drone into a large pie dish. Place 1 sheet of puff pastry over the top of the drone. Pierce the puff pastry with a sharp knife. Set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, fan force. Place the drone in the oven. Bake the drone for 30 minutes. Remove drone from oven. Place on bench top. Turn on the drone. Turn on the remote control. Sync the remote control to the drone. Press the takeoff button.
You are carrying a weight you were never meant to carry, and it is the reason you cannot breathe properly.